Hey, what's up, Maniacs? I'm John, this is Ryan, Jim, Gabe, Ashton, full crew today. Connor behind the wheels of steel. Wait, that wasn't right.
No.
All right, so good day today. We have all the splitters done and they are at the powder coaters as we speak. And we're tightening up a bunch of loose ends on this thing. Jim's over there making window templates for the Lexan windows. We got the rubber moldings in for it. We got the Lexan in for it. Ryan is working on the hinges for the hood. And of course, one thing leads to the next. So we need to do a little bracing here. We're gonna use actually a piece of flat stock, kind of like that. It's gonna get cut down a little better. And that's gonna get welded in here to add some strength to this hood. But in the process, you know, this hood's seen better days. So we're just gonna go ahead and weld this up, weld this all together. This bracket's not gonna come apart from this hood ever again anyway, so it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done, and we'll see how far we get in today's episode. We're gonna try to get this car over to the Boxo photo shoot in California.
So here at Maniacs Garage, everything we do is super high tech. As you can see here, this will be a precision cut.
Product placement, Maniac Swag. So the chop, this frame, when it got put on, it has a kink in it right here. So I gotta cut it back off, bring this out to the proper location. So that's what we're working on, just tightening up some things.
Hey John, I got somebody coming over with his GTI. He's a big fan.
Oh, we got fans?
Allegedly. Oh, there's a GTI. Think that'll work.
It's better. It's not good enough. Jim, need more body weight.
What are you trying to do? Oh, you're trying to
Bend it. Oh, not there. Not down there.
I'm sorry.
All right. All right, well, that's a lot better now. All right, well,
Well,
now.
you said that needed to come out anyways too, right?
Well, no, that just broke my couple of tacks that I just did right now. That's all that
you
happened.
had tacks on it.
I had tacks on it, yeah, because I'm trying to hold that from moving. So let's figure out what the best way would be to get it to that place now.
And I forgot about that. There we go. So we got our hinges, holes in the cowl and the hood. Looks like we got a little bit bigger of a gap than we really want at the moment. Play in the hinges, so we'll be able to build some adjustability. There's slop in the holes. This one isn't wide enough on the tip to get a full hole. Otherwise we'd end up with a hole showing outside of our hinge. So we got to make that hole kind of triangular shaped a little bit. So I'll have to file that out. Next step.
Hold on, you can't be in the shot, dude. This is all me. So what we have here, we have a template we created for the rear windows of the 49 Ford, and we're going to transfer them to the Lexan polycarbonate right here, and then we're just going to use our really fine-tuned jigsaw to cut it all out. There's a lot of pressure right now, really, because John's all over me to get this done. So here we go.
See if you can kind of give it a little pressure down like this.
Okay.
Oh, a little bit. Not too much. Okay. Yeah, right there. And not too much in either.
Ow! Push right here, John. Push out. Push out. Push out.
No, I can't. Hang on.
Okay. That's all right. All right. Cool.
It's top right, small drawer.
What are we looking for?
Fix that. Just kind of hold the pressure right here where my hand is.
Got it.
Not a lot, because to push it through on these rubbers there, it's a different kind of rubber. It's a universal one. It just kind of sits in the middle, you know?
Oh, gonna pop out.
Hit myself in the face. I think the plexi is a little small. It's not pushing the rubber up to its place, you know? Might be fine, you know?
Okay, pushing.
Yeah, right there, that's good.
Okay.
How's the outside look?
Looks pretty good. Whoa. That looked
I
good.
don't know, can't.
Yeah, that.
Hold on, stop. I got it.
Yeah,
That was
it was-
way better.
It was looking like it was sitting out a long
Yeah, it
ways.
was sitting out. It wasn't in. It looks way better from out here.
Yeah, that's where it sits right there. I've never used it before. You're running the risk of scratching the window. So it's kind of a little bit at a time. Only have like 2 inches left. Fingertips are hurting. This is only window 1. Huh? There it is. Whoosh. Still has the inside one on it.
Beautiful.
Hey, the jigsaw did get it. I don't know if it's on the outside or wherever you were cutting, so it was on the outside still.
Dude,
Yeah, it's on the outside.
that might not be from the jigsaw, dude. That might have been there. I'm serious.
How can it be parallel to the thing where that's a new cut? Let me do it.
As long as you don't
This one,
push
this
that
window, this
through,
window is tighter
As long
apparently.
as you don't push that window through, we're fine, John.
Yeah.
200 miles an hour.
Right.
Yeah, I saw
The
that
wing,
on the video.
the diffuser is good for that.
Yeah, I saw that according to the videos. I was like, wow, that would be
Well, yeah, man. Thank you guys. This was a crazy day. Thanks everyone for watching. Am I in the shop? Hey, so I just want to thank all of these guys for the work today, and I want to thank everyone out there watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and leave us a comment. Hit that thumbs up button. See you guys in the next one.